on this account. And the rate of return of this account is 5% per annum. And now let's move towards Canary saving account. All the facilities are also available on this account of online banking, telephone banking, and the rate of return for this amount are mentioned on the screen. Now term deposit account. To save the currency, Pakistani currency for a specific period of time, Canary is often term deposit account. And the rate of return are for 1 month, 6 months, 3 months, 1 year, 2 years, these are mentioned on the screen. Now let's move towards current account. This is a non-profitable account and quite suitable for business personalities who want to make daily to daily transactions. And all the facilities of ATMs, online banking, telephone banking are also available on this account. Now let's move towards basic banking account, BBS. It is just like a current account, non-profitable account, and it can be opened with no minimum balance. No minimum balance is required for opening this account. Now let's move towards Islamic banking. In Islamic banking, Canary Bank utilize the funds in accordance with the rules of Sharia, and 4 basic types of Islamic accounts are offered in Canary Bank. In Islamic banking, first one is Canary Jari account, Canary Budget account, Canary Munafa account, and Canary Niyadi account. Canary Jari account is just like current account, Canary Budget account is just like Canary saving account, Canary Munafa account is just like profit and loss saving account, and Canary Niyadi account is quite similar to term deposit account. Now let's move towards Canary saving certificate. Canary Bank is offering this certificate in multiples of rupees 10,000 for the time period of 3 years. Now let's move towards Inland and foreign remittances. Canary Bank is offering this service to transfer the funds from one place to another inside the country or outside the country. Now let's move towards local facilities. Canary Bank is providing local facilities in all the big cities of Pakistan, and all the account holders can avail this facility by just paying a minimum annual charges fee. This can be automatically deducted from the account. Now move towards the financial products of Canary Bank Limited. The financial products of Canary Bank Limited comprise of car finance, health finance, personal finance, agricultural finance, and so on. Now let's move towards car finance. Canary Bank is offering car finance for the purchase of unregistered new cars. Next is Canary Health Finance. Canary Bank is offering this finance for the purchase, construction, and renovation of houses for personal use. Now move towards Canary Personal Finance. Canary Bank is offering personal finance to meet the personal expenses like education, medical, and traveling so on. Now next is Canary Generator Finance. This is a unique type of finance which Canary Bank is offering due to the excessive increase of load sharing. Canary Bank is offering generator finance. Now next one is agricultural finance with an agreement